Hello patrons, hello fly babies, it's me Flylady Kat, and today I'm here with our Patreon in review. That is a look at the week on Patreon of the 5 videos that I put up for you, and that's for the week of March 11th, and here we go. The first one was called Resolutions and Perfectionism. The second one, Life in the Fast Lane. The third, With Life, There Are Problems. The fourth one on Thursday, Harmony. And the last one for Friday was With Freedom Comes Responsibility. And these all you have an indication of what's happening in the video by the title. So pop over and give them a watch. I think you'll enjoy them. I'm getting some good feedback. If you're not a member of Patreon, a patron, I encourage you to join. Things are getting better and better over there. I'm looking so forward to some new forms of communication with you over there. So I'll let you know when that happens. In the meantime, it's just $5 a month, a commitment you make to yourself, an investment in yourself. These videos are going to help you, not only with the Flylady system, but with the support system for you to keep doing the Flylady system. Help for the way you think, help for the way you parent. So please take a look, have a wonderful day, and remember, you are beautiful. So be beautiful.